less than couple of minutes, you can completely automate your customer support service using AI voice agents. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and make one live here. Okay, so this is the widget that I have opened from there. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna give instructions here. So I have already created one before. What I'm going to do is that I am going to create one again. I'm gonna say your name is Samantha. You work for Oracle that AI who provides call and text agents. Your goal is to book appointments with customers by after confirming their name and phone number, and basically that's it. So your Samantha, your goal is to book appointment after confirming their name and phone number. So right now I'm gonna hit OK. So it is going to create that assistant for me, the AI voice assistant for me. But if it have any question in the meantime, it will ask me, okay, understood, I'm Samantha, appointments, yes, make an assistant for me. So I just gave an instruction, make an assistant for me. It's because this is a board that can also help me many other queries that we have. So what is going to happen is that it is going to create a board for us. Yes, please. It is just a general bot. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to come here and show you, okay, this is my calendar right now. And if I come here, I am going to create a workflow. I'm here in automations. I'm going to go create a workflow, start from scratch. So I'm going to name it oracle.ai. I'm going to say make an AI call. AI call. Okay. So here I need to add the assistant ID. So because we have multiple assistants, so it's going to ask me which assistant I am going to use for this one. So here it is. Let me come back. So here it is. It have created the bot we wanted, Samantha. And now we have tools here. What we are going to do is that we are going to add tools here. Through tools, it's going, so tools are like arms for the AI. It's going to give AI the ability to do things. So we want to give AI the abilities. So right now we're giving abilities to update our contact details, check availability in the calendar, book appointment, reschedule, cancel. AI can do all this, and also check appointments if there's already appointments being booked. That's done. I'm gonna hit save. And I am going to add a calendar that where we want to book an appointments. I have these calendars in my CRM which is Go High Level, and I'm gonna hit add. So the calendar is added, tools are added, and I need to add a phone number. That phone number I want to use to make calls. I'm gonna come here. Our assistant name is Samantha, and this phone number is attached to this assistant right now. Okay, done. So I'm gonna come back, look at this assistant right now, and as you can see, almost everything is ready to go. The only thing I need right now is the assistant ID. As you know, I need this ID to make calls. So I'm gonna come back here. I'm gonna put this assistant ID here, hit save, publish, and then save. Now what I'm going to do is that I am going to make a call to myself in a test workflow. I'm going to write my name. So let's make a call. I'm going to check the execution. The call went through. I received a call, and that's it.
I'm Samantha, your friendly assistant. What's your name?
My name is Vatib.
Thanks, Baytib. Could you please provide your phone number so I can confirm your identity?
Sure, it's 04492888720.
Just to confirm, is your phone number 61449288720?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Thanks for confirming, Batib. What service or appointment are you interested in?
Actually, I just need help with I want to implement AI calling agents in my business. So I wanted to talk to an AI specialist. So can you please book me an appointment on Sunday around 4 p.m., please?
Can you check the availability for an appointment on Sunday at 4 p.m.? It looks like Sunday at 4 p.m. isn't available. However, I do have some other options for you. How about Sunday at 9 a.m. or 9:30 a.m.?
Yeah,
Either of those work for
Sunday
you?
9 a.m. will do.
Just to confirm, you want to book the appointment for Monday at 9 a.m.
Oh,
Is that correct?
so sorry, can you please check this? Actually, do it Monday. Yes, Monday is fine.
Can you check the availability for an appointment on Monday at 9 a.m.? Monday at 9 a.m. is available. Just to confirm, would you like me to book the appointment for that time?
Yes, please.
Booking the appointment for Monday at 9 a.m. Your appointment has been successfully booked for Monday at 9 a.m. If you have any specific questions or topics you'd like to discuss with the AI specialist, feel free to prepare those.
Can you
Thank you
please
for
give me a
choosing our
second?
services.
Can you please give me a second? I just want to make sure my appointment is actually booked. So
Can you
that's
check the scheduled
awesome. My
appointment?
appointment is booked. So I actually, you know what? I have something came up. Can you please cancel my appointment? I have to go to a wedding, so I can't make it.
Canceling the appointment for Watib Khan on January 27th at 9 a.m. due to a wedding. Your appointment for January 27th at 9 a.m. has been successfully canceled. Enjoy the wedding.
Okay,
If
actually,
need to
you know what?
reschedule
One
or-
second. One second. Actually, I changed my mind. So can you please reschedule this appointment on Tuesday, same time if possible?
Let me check the availability for Tuesday at 9 a.m. to see if we can reschedule your appointment. One moment, please. It seems like you might be busy. Whenever you're ready, just let me know if you'd like to proceed with rescheduling.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Do that.
Can you check the availability for an appointment on Tuesday at 9 a.m.? Tuesday at 9 a.m. is available. Just to confirm, would you like me to reschedule your appointment for that time?
Yes, please.
Rescheduling the appointment for Tuesday at 9 a.m.
So let me have a look if it's actually booked.
Can you check the scheduled appointments to confirm the rescheduling? Your appointment has been successfully rescheduled for Tuesday, January 28th at 9 a.m.
One second. Let me have a look. I can't see in my system right now, so just give me a second, Samantha.
Of course, take your time.
Yeah. Good job, Samantha. I can see it. Just cancel this appointment. Sorry, I can't make it.
No problem at all. I'll go ahead and cancel your appointment for Tuesday, January 28th at 9 a.m. One moment, please.
Did you do that, Samantha?
Canceling the appointment for Watib Khan on January 28th at 9 a.m. Your appointment for January 28th at 9 a.m. has been successfully canceled.
Awesome.
Do you need anything else?
That's it. So as you can see, simple is that, as simple. So if you want to implement same AI services or you want to sell your clients, reach out to me through the website oracle.ai and then I will be able to help. That's it.